It's been almost 6 months since I've been to Sweden, and as luck would have it, I'm coming back again next month. So get ready, ISACA Sweden chapter. I'm coming your way to talk about ESG, specifically enabling a sustainable ESG program using good governance practices. We'll be doing this on May 12th at the Hilton Stockholm Solution in Stockholm, Sweden. The desire to become socially, environmentally sustainable is going through a major transformation. So I think it's time for us to really address what we call the elephant in the room. That elephant is a major problem or controversial issue that is obviously present, but avoided as a subject for discussion because it's more comfortable to avoid that. So we can no longer pretend like it's not there, nor can we bury our heads in the sand. So the E in ESG addresses environmental indicators. The challenge put before organizations is to determine how their products, services, policies, and actions will minimize or reverse the damage that humans have brought on our environment. Social criteria is the S in ESG. More than ever, organizations are expected to be good community citizens. Both internal and external facing conduct is under scrutiny. And finally, the G is for governance. This looks at the internal structures of controls and procedures that organizations have adopted to govern themselves, meet compliance requirements, drive decision-making, and address stakeholder needs. So what will you get from this workshop? Well, first of all, what I'd like to make sure we do is understand the history and the key points of ESG. We'll go into identifying the governance and management objectives and practices needed to create that ESG system. And then we'll associate INT aspects to the successful adoption of ESG to support your governance and your assurance efforts. And you know, any presentation of mine, you'll get top tricks and tips on how you can leverage current frameworks to create an IT governance system that effectively supports ESG. Of course, I'm looking forward to seeing you in Stockholm on May 12th. For more information or to register, go to the Sweden ISACA site here or follow me on social media, where I'll keep you updated on this and many other presentations and conferences just like this. I look forward to seeing you on May 12th in Stockholm, Sweden.